Socrafo me anyway, and answer so for me anyway. Woman near Fipa, woman young collabium, Nesso, there be a beef for dear, woman contributor. Aye. Prophet Emmanuel Kobbi say, and come share a year Prophet Owusu Bempah be share a fad or John Dramani Mahama who say, a year moja party John Dramani Mahama, wabi she be a gua, a year gun a command the one transfer jack patrol. Prophet Emmanuel Kobbi was say, a year Prophet Owusu Bempah and a share sankomwe. Sans na Prophet Emmanuel Kobbi say, Sa Prophet Kureya be can say, Eye John Dramani Mama na do bia aya na woso anaka nipa baako pe na naka baako fu nipa adaka ye disie nipa baako ennan na eso nipa baako nti imagine kwan be so no befa aso asa ne sankom hye we nyina e bai na eso nyankopon a wono o sine hina obia entimi entuno anase nyankopon a o sine dan obia samado kra entimi twimfa so e prophet she ai owura John Dramani Mahama wabo pem Mr. Prophet Owusu Bempah entokwe wate no so wasoso ankasa ne ano odin mayenti emra.
There are diverse ways several people have used in attaining greatness, and these ways are not the ways of God, but their end
affected because devil
now, if those people in their lifetime do not bear the brunt of the consequence of their actions, the generations after them may bear the brunt of those consequences, because there is no free lunch when you are dealing with the devil.
Abraham, who said divine God.
Now, at the time when I discovered this divine God, and I discovered what he's able to do, and I decided to associate with him and walk with him, I have this firmly imprinted in my mind, and I have also conceded to that nothing, absolutely nothing, can bring me down.
No principality,
to me be any
no power,
to me be any
no demon, no human being. I will bet me bring me down.
None of these entities. In fact, nothing can bring me down.
Oh dear, so power. Say me.
Now you may destroy me. You may wage war against me spiritually.
Affect me that.
I will not be affected.
Because
I know that God whose backing I have got. My God isn't a failure. And he has no record of failing. And so invariably, I also cannot fail. Now I have also discovered that I will not allow anything to be a hindrance, an obstacle, a stumbling block before me.
Education.
Whether education
and I said
or what have you.
Nothing
can stop me. Now that is how I see things. And I also want you to see things in that same level. If you have not yet seen yourself in that light,
2025,
then in 2025,
first Sunday.
Today is the first Sunday, isn't it? I want you to start seeing things in that way. And have it in your mind that even if you were never educated in your lifetime, even if you have no mother or father, even if there is no helper for your life,
so far as divine God,
so far as you have the backing of the divine God,
Now, when anyone covenant,
and you've got a covenant with this God,
you can never fail. You can't fail. You can't fail. Ain't possible.
It's not possible.
Ain't possible.
It is not possible. I will be satisfied with long life.
With good health.
And I will live in good health.
May prosper.
I will prosper.
May great.
And I will continue to be great every day. I will be greater than you are seeing me now.
Because
how far I am seeing, and how determined I am to reach that far, where I am now cannot compare with where I see myself to. And no matter what happens, I am determined. I have believed it that I will reach there. Nothing can stop me. Be it witches, is it enchantments, or principalities, or sword, or famine, or persecution.
Nothing. The reason why I'm too bold.
Now, do you know the reason I am very bold?
Owusu Bempah the Great.
And the reason I call myself Owusu Bempah the Great?
Because
because I have believed and considered to that fact.
Me a great.
That I am great.
So now me greatness in power.
Now if you don't see how great I am, as for me, I see the greatness of God in me.
Now me cause why you great.
And I will continue to be great.
Also, what is
you are who you see yourself to be.
Debbie, I can saw them and man and Crawford say, me ye two na nasa me kasapa. Me say,
now I
Ghana Akonyano, obedient international without Owusu Bempah.
Now,
I final.
Now, I've said this thing here many times, and sometimes people think it sounds unintelligible because people think I am bragging. But let me say it once more for emphasis sake, that as far as the presidency of Ghana is concerned, you will not arise into that level if I am not involved. Because that's how I see myself. Because I know what the Lord has said to me.
Woman in a sub, woman young color, and I shall be for dear. One more tribute, update to be a train to her. The barber some,